All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I have a very unique sleeper case here, guys. And I call it a sleeper case because I just bought it thinking that it was gonna be some cheapy, crappy case. I wanted something that looked like carbon fiber. It looked cool on Amazon. And when I got it, guys, I was thoroughly impressed. So this is from the case company Ftonglogy, if I'm saying it right. As you can see here, it says Ftonglogy. I'm not really sure, but it comes in some cool different colors. They got blue, they got orange, they got red. It's $12.99 with Prime shipping. It's a unique case, guys. I think it's one of my favorite ones so far. So let's go ahead and jump into it. And if you do like this phone case after watching this video, do follow my affiliate link down in the description. So let's go ahead and look at it. So the case is very cool looking. I will show it off once it's on the phone. Now the inside, there is not much going on, guys. It is just a matte black, nothing like prominent as far as like corner protection or anything like that. It's a very slim case. Doesn't have much flex to it. So I will say that when it comes to drop protection, it's probably not going to be the best case, but it sure does look good. So let's go ahead and grab my Volcanic Black 10 Pro. Let's put it in alert slider first side and push in. And there we have it. So there is the case. And like I said, guys, it looks good. Like I really like the styling of this case here. So you got this really nice looking carbon fiber, but it's not like a cheapy feeling. I know it's not real. It can't be real for $12.99, but it feels fantastic though. Like has this really, really great grip. Then you got this really cool prominent, like kind of OnePlus red, just striped down, looks very fast. And then you have kind of this really nice matte black, almost like a faux leather maybe or something, but I don't know. But it just feels good all around. Now, as far as the camera protection goes, what's cool is it completely covers it and just has cutouts for the lenses, but that's the look there. So very flat. So when we do the wobble test, I'm curious to see if it's shaky. Now there's a tiny lip right there, so it's probably gonna shake, but we'll see. But it just looks good for $12.99. I mean, it's a very slim, very good looking case. Now on the sides here, we do have our power button with a little power logo there, right? So it is raised. A nice cutout there for the alert slider. We do have some little holes there if you want to rock a lanyard. There you go. The bottom, we have some speaker cutouts there, a Type-C port cutout, and our mic cutout. And then on this side, just our volume up and down buttons with plus and minus. They are raised as well. And then going to the top, a circle cutout for the mic up top. Now when it comes to the screen protection, since it is a slim case, guys, the bumpers are very slim as well on the forehead and chin. It is a curved screen, but there is a little bit of some lips that do raise up around the sides. So you're definitely going to get some screen protection if you do place it face down. So now let's go ahead and look at the front of it. So that's the look of the front. There's a look of the speaker cutout, which I will have to admit, this is a much better and cleaner looking speaker cutout than I've seen on other cases as well, because there is a slim cutout here, not a big massive cutout like, for example, like from my Spigen cases, which isn't terrible. I mean, I'm not saying anything's bad about them, but I've noticed that they were just bigger than they should be. So that's a better looking cutout, in my opinion. So yeah, so now let's see how shaky it is. So let's start with that back down test first. So definitely some shaking going on, as you can see, guys. Well, when you kind of rock that opposite corner, it's gonna shake. So I was kind of hoping it wouldn't, but it does. And then face down. So definitely can tell the screen's not touching, so that's good. And it is completely flat, so, and shaky, or not shaky, excuse me. So no shake and doesn't touch the table. So definitely 2 thumbs up there. So now let's do the clicky button test. So let's see how clicky these buttons are for $12.99. Let's see. Volume up and down. All right, so they pass. Definitely clicky buttons, very responsive. So definitely 2 thumbs up there. So now let's see how easy it is to use this alert slider. Oh yeah, super easy. Don't have to use my fingernails. Easy peasy. And then last but not least, Qi wireless charging. So let's do it on this charger here. And you can see that it does recognize it's on it. So Qi wireless charging and Google Pay, all that stuff, no problem with this case. So guys, like I said, I'm gleeing all over this case here, but for $12.99, it's great value. It's probably not the best when you drop it from like 30 feet, but it's definitely a better option than not having a case, but it looks super sexy as well. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless. We'll see you on the next one.